How to reset a Trust Wallet account password. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me, Misnat, and today I'll guide you on how you can reset your Trust Wallet account password. Well, the process itself is easy and simple, so let me guide it through. In case you have forgotten your ID password and now you don't have any way of logging in and you want to reset your password, here's what you can do. If you open up Trust Wallet, now I have enabled fingerprint here. So if I just give in my fingerprint here, the wrong fingerprint, then it'll ask me to use the pin. So you can see now here, while using your passcode, you'll see that there is no any option to reset your passcode or password. Right now, the trick here is what you want to do is you want to head back and you want to uninstall it. Once you uninstall it, you want to open it up again. During the open up, you will want to restore your account using your secret recovery phrase. Simply reinstall the Trust Wallet app, open Trust Wallet, select I already have a wallet on the login screen, enter your secret recovery phrase and create a new passcode to log in. This is how you can simply reset Trust Wallet account passcode or password. Hope this video helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.